So welcome back to the channel. Right now I am standing in South City 1 where you are getting a 360 square yards 4 bedroom floor which is available on sale. This is the stilt parking area where I am standing, and you are getting stilt plus 4 structure. Plot area is 360 square yards. Location, as I have told, this is South City 1, and you are getting the pocket is 100% gated. RW has been already formed. You are getting 100% power backup. Security thing has been taken care of very well. This is the stilt parking area, and I would like to show you the outer facade of the unit before entering inside the unit. This is the outer facade of the unit which you are getting, and the unit looks quite beautiful from the outside, and you are getting a tree just next in front of your property, and then this is just all looking quite well. So before showing you the layout from inside, मैं पार्क में आया हूँ just to show you कि पार्क यहाँ पे कैसा है. जो ये gated lane है इसमें 20 to 25 plots हैं, and जिसमें जो residents हैं पार्क को यूज़ करने वाले वो काफ़ी कम है. And then you can see the greenery and the maintenance of this particular park, and which is just very next to the floor, which is just right around the corner, like hardly 50 steps away from your apartment. And now I'll be going back inside the layout, and I'll be showing you the floor from inside. So this, I'm back in the stilt area, and then this is the entrance towards your floor. On my left side there is the lift. Pune brand की यहाँ पे lift आपको मिल रही है, and then this is the stairs going towards the floor. Some good work has been done on the walls just to provide some good texture. So right now I am standing at the main entrance door of this unit, and on my right side this is the lift which will be taking you towards the terrace level, and then the staircase are also there. In this area the marble has been used, textured walls are at this place. Now we'll be entering inside the unit, and then while we are entering we are facing southwest. While taking an exit we are facing northeast. The door is quite massive, and then you are getting a very massive wide door at your entrance, which gives you a very quite good appeal. The doors which have been the door locks which have been used are of door set. You can use the passcode, or you can use the fingerprint or the access card, whatever suits you very well. And then while entering, I have told you the directions. You are entering inside the dining area of this place. The living area is at that level. So talking about the typology of this particular floor, this is 360 square yards, 4 bedroom, 5 bathroom plus puja room, where you are getting a very good layout, and good decent work has been done all across the place. Again, a disclaimer before showing you the unit, the final touch up, the final work is still pending, but I am shooting this video because you will be getting a very fair idea, because इससे ज़्यादा यहाँ पे अभी कुछ add on नहीं होगा, but यहाँ पे सिर्फ finishing का काम किया जाएगा, and you will be getting a fair idea कि यहाँ पे आपको चीज़ें कैसे मिलने वाली हैं. Again, I will be explaining you the layout before starting going deep inside the floor and showing you each and every room with what they are providing. We are standing in the living area, as you have got to know. The first bedroom is at that corner. In the middle, you are getting the open kitchen. Second bedroom at that level. In the middle, the powder room is situated for your guests to have a good convenience and not taking them inside your bedrooms. The third bedroom is at that corner. The common area, the family lounge or the living area, whatever you want to call it, that is at this behind me. The fourth bedroom is at that level, and some good work has been done, because or you can make it this as a living area, that as a family lounge, whatever suits you well. So now, without wasting any time, I will be starting with the bedroom right over here. Again, I have told you some good work has been done, and there is some storage space also given just at this place. And then work is quite nice, and then there is the soft close which has been used. This is the first bedroom of this place, and this is the size of the room. You are getting wardrobes intact in this room, but आपको हर room में wardrobes अंदर नहीं है, आपको walk-in closet भी मिला हुआ है. This is the bathroom of the place, and you can see how the bathroom work has been done, which is quite okay to by best knowledge. And this door is connecting you towards the balcony, and which I will be showing you in the other room. Coming out of this place, this is the living dining area, which the family lounge area, which you are getting. Some POP moldings has been done all across the walls, and on both the sides we are getting air conditioner, beautiful, good finishing, fall ceiling has been used. And then we will be entering inside the third bedroom, the second bedroom of this place. This is the second bedroom. Again finishing का काम भी बचा हुआ है यहाँ पे, so आपको यहाँ पे चीजें दिखेंगी जो भी आपको यहाँ पे differences हैं, but it will be clear later on. This is the attached restroom which you are getting with this unit, and the work has been done quite well. And you will be getting this door again for the access of the balcony, and you guys can have a look how the balcony work has been done. Coming back inside the layout, this was the second bedroom I have shown you. Now we'll be coming back in the living area, and from where we started, and on our way, this is the powder room for the guests which will be coming inside your home, and you will be providing them whatever suits you well. This is the third bedroom at that corner, and then you will be entering inside your bedroom. So this is the third bedroom of the place. We are getting good work. Again, all the work has been done at this place. All the wooden work has been done. So you just have to put up a chair and then just do your work. The wall work is still a little pending on this side. This bedroom also has an attached walk-in closet and the bathroom. This is the front balcony of the place, and then you can have a look at the streets. So these are lightings which you can see. This is Diwali time, and the lightings have been done by the RWA, because RWA is recently, already formed, not recently, it is already formed, and then they are taking very well care of the place. And you can have a look at the restroom of this particular room, and then there are wardrobes attached. The showers and everything has been used are of quite good brands. And now we are in the living dining area back. On my left side, this is the kitchen. So you are getting a quite, you can say, a U-shaped kitchen where there is a breakfast counter, or you can say a bar counter just at this area, and then you can get the lights and everything, the showcase over here. And then this place is here for the refrigerator. Upper cabinets have been given for some extra storage, and a pantry is right over here. The quality and the space of the pantry is nice, and then the size is quite okay. You are getting the OTG and the microwave. It is still intact, so I won't be touching. And then this is the area which you will be getting inside the kitchen. There are windows at both the ends. Chimneys have been installed. There is hob which is intact inside the marble. This is granite marble which they have used, so it is a good quality. Inside the fourth bedroom, this is the fourth bedroom. So this is how it looks. We are getting profile lighting all across the room, which is giving a nice appeal towards the unit. And then there is an attached bathroom, separate space for the shower area, and then you are also getting all these mesh in all the places. So this door is already open just for the mosquitoes, so another extra step which is very well. Then there is a wet point just for the washing machine, and then from here we will be coming back inside the lake. So this was the whole tour of this apartment. I hope आपको अच्छा लगा होगा. And now अगर आपने वीडियो को स्किप करके देखा है, so I'll say कि आप वीडियो का स्टार्टिंग पार्ट जरूर देखें, जिसमें मैंने आपको आउटर फैसाड दिखाया इस यूनिट का, and I have also shown you the parks of this place. Also I have mentioned power backup, security, gated, and what else? Everything you have already seen. अगर कुछ देखा नहीं है तो आप प्लीज नीचे जाके आप देख सकते हैं. And कुछ शायद मैं भूल जाऊँ maybe. And talking about the pricing, so and the availability, this is the upper ground level जहाँ पे अभी हम खड़े हैं. ये particular floor आपको मिल सकता है, and then इसके ऊपर वाला भी मिल सकता है. The terrace unit and the third floor has already been sold out. So the upper ground and second are available. जो भी आपको डिटेल्स इस पर्टिकुलर प्रॉपर्टी से चाहिए वो आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएंगी. Be it pricing and whatever is available and what all builder is providing you. And if you have liked this property, you can then contact us on the numbers given on the screen, but do check the description box below. I hope you have enjoyed this short tour. Thank you. See you in the next one. Goodbye.